Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Logan's Food Review. Today we will be reviewing Kraft Miracle Whip. And the Kraft Miracle Whip has 30 calories per serving. So, I have actually enjoyed Miracle Whip on quite a few occasions. So, I'm just gonna get some right there, okay? Screw on the jar, okay? 1 spoonful of Miracle Whip, and actually, as you can see, I have enjoyed Miracle Whip on quite a few occasions, so this should be pretty interesting. I've never had 1 spoonful at the same time, so 1 spoonful of Miracle Whip, so let's try it. Very strong taste. End of the video.
No. I'm not ending this. You gotta keep on going, dude.
So yeah, this is a little behind the scenes. We just filled this up with whipped cream because I can't eat Miracle Whip or I'll throw up.
Same.
Here, smell this.
Oh yeah.
It smells like baby barf.
Wait, I'm plugging my nose. We just need like the sensor. It's like, sorry, censorship.
You might want to throw that out. Please end the video now.
Like and subscribe.